Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are here today, chances are you are curious about how to get started with day trading. Maybe you've seen the success stories or heard about people making serious moves in the markets and now you are wondering, could this be for you? Well, in this video, we are going to break it all down for you. We'll walk you through the essential steps of how to start day trading, the tools you need, and how to set yourself up for success. So let us just quickly dive right in. But first things first, what exactly is day trading? Well, in simple terms, day trading is the practice of buying and selling financial instruments, whether it is stocks, forex, or commodities, within the same trading day. All right. Now, unlike long-term investing, where you might hold on to an asset for months or even years, day trading focuses on taking advantage of short-term price movements. All right. So now this doesn't mean that day traders are gambling or making wild bets. In fact, day traders use a combination of technical analysis, market news, and strategic thinking to make decisions. It's about understanding the patterns and trends in the market and reacting quickly to them. So what should you be trading? Well, there are a few options on the table, but the most popular are stocks and Forex. All right, you can actually trade a whole lot of assets depending on your choice, depending on your preference. All right. If you are someone who enjoys analyzing company fundamentals and likes the idea of trading within a specific market sector, then stock day trading could actually be the route for you. All right, you can actually decide to maybe trade a stock if you are the type of person who if you're the type of person who enjoys the ideas of trading within a specific market sector and you enjoy fundamentals. Yeah, depending on your broker, yeah, your broker could offer diverse stocks. So depending on your broker, um you know you select the particular stock that you want to trade and do your analysis and trade it as you wish. All right. On the other hand, if you are after more flexibility with a global market that runs 24/5, 24 hours, Monday to Friday, then Forex is a great option, especially since it is one of the most liquid markets in the world. Now, both have their advantages, but the key is understanding how each market works and finding the one that fits your goals. Now, before you can start trading, you'll need to set up a trading account. Here's what you need to know. All right. Of course, you need to select a broker. Not all brokers are created equal. You want a broker that offers low commissions, solid customer support, and access to the assets you plan to trade. Make sure to check reviews, demo accounts, and see if the broker has what you need. All right. Then now, with respect to trading platform, you also need a platform to execute your trades. Platform like the MetaTrader 4 or the MetaTrader 5. They are common choices. Yeah, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are actually common choices. Okay, for Forex, while others like Think or Swim and TradingView are popular as well. All right, TradingView especially is very popular for analytics, for technical analysis. TradingView is very popular for technical analysis. All right, this is the TradingView here, right? Okay, so you choose a platform that suits your style, provides charting tools, and lets you execute trades efficiently. Now that you've got your broker and platform set up, let's talk about the tools you'll need. Okay, as a day trader, you'll rely heavily on technical analysis, which involves using charts and indicators to predict price movement. So some essential tools include charting software. A solid charting tool will help you analyze price action in real time. Many platforms come with built-in charting. All right. But TradingView is also a great third-party option. Okay, if you want to do detailed technical analysis, TradingView could actually be a go-to choice for you. Okay, there are a whole lot of tools available on TradingView. In fact, it's as if TradingView is built for technical analysis. A lot of indicators, lot of tools, and all of that, right? Okay, so you can actually decide to do analysis on TradingView. Then when it comes to proper execution, and then just some additional analysis, you can actually use your MetaTrader platforms. Okay, now indicators help you spot trends. Okay, indicators are super great. Yeah, they are they are one of the tools that a lot of traders use. When it comes to technical analysis, there are a whole lot of indicators also available both on MetaTrader, TradingView, and all of that, right? So some popular indicators, include the moving averages. These are just, this is just a popular indicator. We also have the relative strength index. There are many indicators, actually, a whole lot of them. But this is just to mention a few. Yeah, just to mention a few. These are the popular ones, MACD and all of that, right? So you actually decide what indicator you want to use for your analysis. You decide what indicator works best for you, okay? And then it's also important to pay attention to news feeds. Keeping an eye on breaking news or economic releases is essential for staying ahead of the market. Okay, now one of the most important aspects of day trading is risk management. You don't want to dive into the market without a plan for managing your trades and your capital. So here are a few tips. Yeah, ensure that you always set stop loss orders. A stop loss is a tool that automatically closes your position when a trade moves against you, all right, by a certain amount. So this helps you minimize your losses. For example, if you have done your analysis and you want to execute a trade, perhaps you just entered a trade, maybe a buy trade around here, stop loss order. If you decide to set a stop loss perhaps below the previous swing low, if price gets to that point, your trade is going to automatically get closed. Okay, and that's going to help you to minimize your losses. Okay, so ensure that you always use stop loss orders and use proper position sizing. Never risk more than you can afford to lose on any single trade. A good rule of thumb is to risk no more than 1% to 2% of your capital on each trade. And then ensure you always have good risk to reward ratio. Aim for a risk to reward ratio of at least 1:2. This means that for every dollar you risk, you aim to make at least $2. Lastly, creating a solid trading strategy is key to your success. Your strategy should your strategy should include the types of trades you make, when you will enter and exit, and how much risk you are willing to take. A good strategy also includes developing your mental discipline. All right, day trading can be mentally taxing, so having a clear set of rules and sticking to them is crucial. The key is to develop a strategy that fits your personality, risk tolerance, and goals. All right, and there you have it. That's a quick rundown of how to start day trading, from understanding the market to setting up your account, choosing the right tools, and managing your risk. It's not an easy path, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can set yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.